In this video I'm going to show you how we can factorize, not factorize actually, here we are finding the solution. How we can find the solution by completing the square method for this quadratic equation. So let me tell you how we can proceed ahead. Here the first step is to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So how that can be done? By taking 2 common. So it is x square minus 5 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now when this 2 is shifted to the right hand side, it becomes 0, and we are left with only x square minus 5 by 2x plus 1 by 2. Now the next step is write x as it is. Now here sign is minus, so we will write minus. Now take half of the coefficient of x. So what will be the half of coefficient of x? Simply multiply half with the coefficient of x. So it will be 5 upon 4 and put square plus the left out term 1 upon 2, and always subtract square of this, and square of this is 25 upon 16, and this is equal to 0. Now the only thing left is simplification. X minus 5 by 4 whole square. Now take minus sign outside and you are left with 25. Take the LCM. 16 minus 8 is equal to 0. Got it? And 25 minus 8 is how much? It is 17 upon 16 is equal to 0. And write this x minus 5 by 4 whole square as it is. So this is x minus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to 17 upon 16. Now take the square root on both the sides. You get x minus 5 by 4 is equal to plus minus, because whenever we take square root we have two signs, plus minus. So it is root 17 upon 4, because we know square root of 16 is 4. The next is x is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus root 17 upon 4. So your solution is x is equal to 5 plus minus under root 17 upon 4. So this is how we solve any quadratic equation by completing the square method. So let me revise what I did here is, I simply made the coefficient of x square as 1 by taking 2 outside, and I wrote only x here. This 2 gets vanished because I send it to the right hand side. So I am writing this x as it is. Sign is minus, so I have written minus. Then half of the coefficient of x is 5 by 4 whole square plus, write this 1 by 2 as it is, and always subtract square of this constant term, which is 25 by 16 is equal to 0. And by taking minus sign common from these two terms and taking the LCM, I got 25 minus 8 upon 16, which is minus 17 by 16, and x minus, then it's a simplification only, and you got x is equal to 5 plus minus under root 17 by 4. So this is how we factorize. Again, it is not a factorization. Yes, in case of factorization also we can do it this way. We can follow the same process, but here we are actually finding the solution of the quadratic equation. And completing the square method is very beneficial for your higher classes, because when you go to 12th standard, there you will come across some functions that has quadratic factor in denominator. There, by using this completing the square method only, you will be able to convert them into standard integrals, and then it will be very easily integrable. So this method is very important. So in my previous video I have already explained how we can find the solution by applying splitting the middle term, and in this video I have explained how we can find the solution by completing the square method. And in my coming video I will be explaining the third method, that by using quadratic formula how we can find the solution. So thank you very much for watching this video, and you can write down any related question or your doubts in the comment box. Thank you.